If you don't like history but still love stories, then Wayang Golek puppetry is your perfect match. Let's explore. Wayang Golek are wooden rod puppets from West Java that bring ancient stories to life. These intricately carved and painted figures have been captivating audiences since the 16th century. Rooted in the cultural and religious traditions of the Sundanese people, Wayang Golek tells epic tales from the Ramayana and Mahabharata. Each puppet is a masterpiece, handcrafted by skilled artisans. They carve the wooden figures, paint them with vivid colors, and dress them in detailed costumes and accessories. It's an art form that blends storytelling, craftsmanship, and tradition into a mesmerizing performance. Watch this short video to see the magic behind these beautiful